Welcome back, guys. I am Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best home office monitors. Working from home has taught us all one thing: a good monitor setup can literally save your sanity. Spent some serious time with different displays over the past few weeks, and I've got some thoughts. Now let's check out the 5 best options on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The 5th home office monitor on our list is the ASUS VY249HGR, priced at $84.99, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. It's packing a 23.8-inch IPS panel, which means you're getting consistent colors from any viewing angle, super important when you're bouncing between tasks or sharing your screen with colleagues. The full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 puts it in that sweet spot for productivity work, though don't expect crisp text at super small sizes. What's interesting is the 120 Hz refresh rate that you can overclock to. Most office monitors stick to 60 Hz, so scrolling through documents and web pages feels noticeably smoother. The 1 millisecond MPRT response time is honestly overkill for office work. But if you game after hours, it's a nice bonus. Color-wise, it covers the standard sRGB gamut adequately, but nothing spectacular. Think good enough for Excel and emails rather than photo editing. Build quality feels solid for the price point, though the stand is pretty basic, with limited adjustability. Port selection includes DisplayPort and HDMI, which covers most setups, but you'll want a USB hub if you need more connectivity. The biggest limitation? That 250 nits brightness can struggle in really bright rooms, and the color accuracy isn't calibrated out of the box. For its price, it's a decent pick for general office work, especially if you want that smoother refresh rate. Our team recommends this for casual home office workers who want something better than basic, but don't need premium features. The 4th home office monitor on our list is the Acer Vero B247YG, priced at $147.97, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. Same 23.8-inch IPS panel as before, same 1920 by 1080 full HD resolution, but here's where it gets different. This one actually rocks a 120 Hz refresh rate with a 4 millisecond response time, which is an interesting combo. You get that smooth scrolling and reduced motion blur, though the 4 millisecond response isn't quite as snappy as gaming-focused monitors. The adaptive sync works nicely with that higher refresh rate to eliminate tearing during light gaming sessions. The IPS technology delivers those consistent viewing angles we love, and the 16.7 million color support means you're getting full 8-bit color depth. What's cool about this monitor is the eco-friendly angle. Acer's Vero line uses recycled plastics and comes in sustainable packaging, which is rare in the monitor space. Color accuracy sits in that standard office range, perfectly fine for productivity work, but nothing that'll wow photo editors. The sRGB coverage is adequate for general use, though you'll want to calibrate if precision matters. Build quality actually impressed me more than expected. The stand feels sturdy despite the eco materials, though adjustability is pretty limited to basic tilt. Design-wise, it's very corporate clean. No gaming aesthetics here, which might be perfect for professional setups. Port selection covers HDMI and DisplayPort, plus you get a few USB ports, which is nice for peripherals. Heads up, the limited stand adjustability means you might need a monitor arm if ergonomics are important for your setup. Our team recommends this for environmentally conscious buyers who want smooth productivity performance. The 3rd home office monitor on our list is the ASUS ProArt Display PA278CFRV, priced at $354.95, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This monitor features a 27-inch IPS panel with QHD resolution at 2560 by 1440, which puts it in that sweet spot where text is crisp and you get meaningful screen real estate for multitasking. The 100Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smooth during daily tasks, which is surprisingly noticeable when scrolling through documents or spreadsheets. What really sets this apart is the color accuracy. We're getting 95% DCI-P3 and 100% sRGB coverage with factory pre-calibration and Kalman verification. The feature set is pretty impressive. That USB-C port delivers 96 watts of power, which means it can charge your laptop while driving the display through a single cable. The daisy chaining capability lets you connect multiple monitors through one connection, perfect for serious multi-monitor productivity setups. HDR400 certification adds decent contrast for content consumption, though it's more about meeting standards than delivering cinema-quality HDR. The Lux Pixel anti-glare coating is interesting. It dramatically reduces reflections in bright offices, but does soften the image slightly compared to glossy displays. Build quality is where you really feel the price difference. The stand has full height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, plus the overall construction feels rock solid. Port selection is comprehensive, with multiple HDMI inputs, DisplayPort, USB hub functionality, and that crucial USB-C connection. If I had to nitpick, I'd say that a 27-inch 1440p doesn't look quite as sharp as 4K. You'll notice this if you're used to ultra-high-res screens or do detailed work requiring pixel-perfect precision. Our team recommends this for professionals who need precise color accuracy in their work. The second home office monitor on our list is the Asus TUF Gaming VG32UQ-A1A, priced at $350.95, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is technically a gaming monitor, but hear me out. This has a massive 32-inch VA panel with true 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, which gives you incredible screen real estate, and pixel-perfect sharpness that makes text incredibly crisp. The 160Hz refresh rate can be overclocked from the standard 144Hz, with 1 millisecond response time and extreme low motion blur sync. What makes this unique for office work is that 4K resolution. You can fit multiple full-size documents side by side comfortably, and spreadsheets become incredibly detailed. You've got FreeSync Premium, which eliminates tearing when scrolling through large documents or presentations. The VA panel delivers deep blacks and excellent contrast ratios, making it great for media consumption during breaks or presentations with dark content. That 120% sRGB coverage means colors are more vibrant than standard office monitors, though it's tuned for gaming rather than professional accuracy. The HDR400 certification adds punch to compatible content, and those built-in speakers actually sound decent enough to eliminate the need for separate desktop speakers. The HDMI 2.1 ports are future-proof for high-bandwidth connections, plus you get multiple display inputs for connecting different devices. The stand offers height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, and the overall build feels tank-like with that tough military-grade durability testing. DSC technology ensures you can actually drive that 4K at high refresh rates without compression artifacts. However, the gaming aesthetic might not fit professional environments, and the lack of factory color calibration means it's not ideal for color-critical work. Our team recommends this for power users who want maximum screen space, work with detailed content like CAD or data analysis, and occasionally want that gaming capability after hours. The best home office monitor on our list is the ViewSonic VG3456C, priced at $609.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. We're looking at a 34-inch curved IPS panel with ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio and UWQ HD resolution at 3440 by 1440, which gives you 2.4 times more pixels than standard full HD displays. That ultra-wide format is perfect for side-by-side document comparison, massive spreadsheets, or having multiple applications open simultaneously without feeling cramped. The 1500R curve helps wrap the display around your peripheral vision, reducing neck movement when scanning across that wide screen. What really sets this apart is the built-in docking functionality. The USB-C port delivers 100-watt power delivery, so it can charge even power-hungry laptops while handling display and data through one cable. The built-in gigabit Ethernet port is clutch for reliable network connections, especially if you're dealing with Wi-Fi dead zones or need stable connectivity for video calls. The monitor includes multiple USB-A ports, essentially turning it into a complete docking station. The ergonomic stand offers full-height tilt, swivel, and rotate adjustments. You can even pivot it to portrait mode if needed. ViewSonic's V Display Manager software lets you customize window snapping and display arrangements, maximizing that ultra-wide real estate. The 60 Hz refresh rate and IPS panel prioritize color consistency over speed, with iProtect technology reducing blue light and flicker for all-day comfort. However, you may find the 60 Hz refresh rate sluggish if you're used to higher refresh displays. Our team recommends this for professionals who juggle multiple applications, need extensive screen real estate, and want a clean, single cable laptop setup with reliable networking. And there you have it, folks, the best home office monitors. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great